let's say this is exam question on the lab. I can show you.
Oh.
Let's see. I will change it to point A, B, C, D, E, these segments, and then you know that you're going to get asked with this one. Yeah? You know that. Like this pressure volume curve is 100% exam. Another pressure volume curve, 100% exam. I will just change the A, B, C, D. Here, look at that. I can change this to A and B, C, D, E, F. That's it, yeah? Or I can change it like the A, B, C, D now, A, B, C, D now, or A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, that's the exam question. You are going to remember this, yeah? This is the cardiac muscle action potential, yeah? Not the SA, no, not the skeletal muscle. This is the cardiac muscle. And the same thing here, you're going to remember that. And the same thing here, you're going to remember that. This is the number 1. Number 0 is sodium, sodium close. Number 2, calcium, potassium, and then rescue membrane potential. Okay, you're going to learn which rhythm is it? Tell me. Oh, which one? That's an atrial fibrillation, yeah? Look at the long lead tube here. Like you don't see proper P wave. Look at the QRS wave here. Very small, very large, average, a little bit smaller. Well, like it is like you just, once you see that, you know that it's atrial fibrillation. Hey, look at that. Identify the heart rate. I can't tell you. I'm not talking to you. Yay, bang. You know which is wet. Yeah, you know which is wet. And you know which wave, and you know what is which is contracting, which is P wave, which is G wave. This one. I will just show. Yeah, bang. Yeah. Oh no. That's what I will do tonight. OMG, that's what I will do tonight. Hey, look at that. You can calculate the stroke volume, tidal volume, vital capacity, and respiratory. Here, oh, the same thing here. The graph doesn't change. Oh, the graph doesn't change here, guys. I will change the face. Like, he has got mustache. Yeah? In the exam, he should not have mustache. Yeah, but you know that. You know this is going to be on the exam. So here, guys, you better sort this out. Yeah, I know you better watch that little video, which is only take like 15-20 minutes, I think. Oh, this video. Oh, look at that. This is it. This is this. Vegas diagram here, guys. Where is that? Can I change A? Oh yeah, I can move A. Can I move B? Yeah, I can move B. Oh no, I can't. It is a new volume curve. Like, I'm going to ask you like from many different angles. You know, like you better know it. You better know it. Yeah, at least for this exam. But for your final, you don't see this again anymore. But you will see that in the lecture exam though. Oh, Vegas diagram. What is this? Heart sound. Where do you listen? Oh, you better look at that. Where do you listen the oscillating aortic valve? You better go and look at that. Hey, what is this action potential? Pacemaker action potential. What is? Why do we have this here? Question mark is here. Calcium. Arrow is here. Potassium leak. It is it. Sodium. Yeah. What is this? Hey, I should not show you. What is this? I can show you. Oh, what is that? What is this? What is this? What is this here? You better tell me. You are going to get this for 100%. Hey, now you have it here. That was a little tricky one. I will squeeze the students a little bit though. That is the exam
What are you
anxiety.
gonna ask if this?
Oh, I can't take it. But you see that is the lecture exam question already. I don't think I can ask you anything more than that. Oh, this is it, guys. That's for the lab. I hope I will like. I think that's all about the.
34, 37.
I know, bang. I know, bang. I know, bang. But at least you have seen it already. Ah.